Hi everyone, Kathy Lean here. In last week's video, I talked about the best time frame to trade, my favorite being 1 hour charts. This is the time frame that I used to make pips with Zip. Zip is a trading strategy that I had designed about 6 or 7 years ago, and I've been trading it every day since. We've made money 6 out of the last 7 weeks and 11 out of the last 12 months. Pretty solid results if I must say so myself. So how does it work? It's actually very simple. You sell when the short and medium term trend is weak and buy when the short and medium term trend is strong. Now, how do we define short and medium term trend? One way that you can do is multiple time frame analysis. The best Zip trades are the ones where we are buying when a currency pair is above all of the major moving averages and selling when it is below. Let's take a look at how this would look like on a chart. In this dollar Swiss chart, there are 4 moving averages: the 20, 50, 100, and 200, simple moving averages. These are my favorite moving averages to use, and on this chart you can see the dollar Swiss is trading above all of these moving averages on this daily chart, this 4-hour chart, and this 1-hour chart. This is a classic example of dollar Swiss being in a strong uptrend on a short-term and medium-term basis. So when you have this type of setup, we also have moving average clearance, which means there's no major resistance above or below on multiple time frames. On Friday, we had a beautiful Eurodollar Zip trade at the New York Open. We didn't get the white candle, which happened the day before. That would be a pure Zip sell signal. But Eurodollar was trading in the sell zone. And at the time, Eurodollar was trading below the 1 hour, as you see here, 4-hour, and daily chart. Euro had been selling off since the European Central Bank's monetary policy announcement. Stocks were down sharply, US yields were up, and all of which solidified the case for a short Euro-US dollar trade. Now, if you took this trade, it became a rather generous win. I'll admit that I actually took a short Euro-Yen trade instead of Eurodollar because I felt that Euro-Yen would be more sensitive to the risk-off environment. And it moved down 80 pips, but it did not have the beautiful moving average clearance that Eurodollar had. Regardless, though, at the end of the day, both of these trades worked out nicely. At the Asia Open on Tuesday, we went long the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar, Aussie Kiwi. It was trading above the indicator line, which means the short-term trend is bullish, and the background was green, which means that the long-term trend was positive as well. These Tradingview Zip charts are available to all BK Forex members, and it makes it very easy to see what the trend and the trades are at a glance. Still, Aussie Kiwi was above all of the major moving averages on this 1 hour, 4-hour, and this daily chart. So you could use these as well to determine the trend on a short and medium term basis. Fundamentally, we went long ahead of the Reserve Bank of Australia's monetary policy announcement. This was a bet that they would raise interest rates, and they certainly did, much more than the market anticipated. Using the principle of buying only when the short and long-term trends are positive, and more specifically using my Zip strategy, we banked another 145 pips this week. My target each week is 100 pips a week, and we hit this target easily 6 out of 7 weeks. And when we lose small because Zip comes back strong. While using Zip makes trading easier, it even helped us catch this beautiful Zip gold short trade. You can see also that multiple time frame analysis can be done using moving averages, and that can be used to help you position into trades that are only supported by the short and medium term trends. Now let's take a look at how I publish my trade. Okay, so we made 145 pips in our Zip trades this week. And if we start off the week, Monday was a little bit soft. If we scroll all the way back to Monday, we did have a little bit of soft trading. Let's see if we can get all the way up there. Tuesday, Monday. Okay, so we started off Sunday night. We start trading Sunday at the Asia Open. And at the Asia Open, if we click all the way back, you can see I laid on a couple of trades. And whenever we lay on trades, we always provide precise entries and exits, the charts, as well as an explanation why. So, we kind of had a couple of different trades. Euro Aussie actually hit target. We got out Euro dollar. I was actually really bullish Euro dollars going into the ECB, but it wasn't until the very end of the week that trade actually worked out. But we still hit Euro dollar profit target that we held during the Asia session into the New York Open. And then on Monday at the New York Open, I put on a series of other trades. Showed you the charts, what they look like in the zip buy zone, or in this case, what it looks like in the zip sell zone. And the trades are updated as it progresses. In this case, CAS Swiss hit profit target, and we nursed the trades during that session. And then on Monday evening, Tuesday morning, at the start of the Asia Open, we had a couple more trades. Euro Kiwi was a very nice zip trade to the upside. And so was, Aussie Kiwi. And if you take a look at this, Euro Kiwi hit profit targets very, very quickly. And Dollar CAD also hit profit target. And Aussie Kiwi hit profit target. So, this just shows you how, we trade in and how I publish my trades in our Slack room. We also send our trades over through Zip. I didn't trade Thursday because we don't trade ahead of the ECB rate decision. You can see another Kiwi dollar profit target here. But ultimately, with all of these trades, even only trading 4 days this past week, we made 145 pips, and that's how we make pips with Zip. If you're interested in trading with me every day or learning how Zip works, please visit bkforex.com.